Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pan of leftovers and what I think of is probably a 12-inch round canvas. Come out faster. Thank you. I'm going to throw a little more white Anita's metallic in there, to make it go a little further. And I'm probably going to use some of my, I have a better jar of that, better bottle. I have some just mixed up white, there it is, Artist Loft. And it definitely has some bubbles in it. Attempt to get rid of those. We may need more paint. I've been wanting to put some of this blue in here all day. That is an Anita's white metallic with some blue from Venetian blue. I hope I don't ruin what I saw that I liked. I'm going to throw a little bit of the Prussian blue in there. I'm going to throw a little bit of this Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold that I have added some orange to. I'm going to do some golden hour from Arteza, which is a metallic. And we're going to save the day, with some of my hot orchid stash. There's a pink diamond now. And I'm going to put my blue on afterwards, and I may put some black in there also. And I have some paint I want to get rid of that wasn't that pretty, but I think it will still help paint flow to paint, so I'm not going to worry about it. And then those tools can go in the bucket. And I'm going to grab another shovel. And what else? And some more white. And what else? Must be something else. That blue is definitely calling me. I think. Oh yes. Is it open? No, it's not. Let's give it a little shake. This is the cobalt blue from Artist Loft, which is actually a metallic turquoise. I still want to put some black in there. I might even want to dare and put some of my... Come on, screw back on for me, please. There we go. I'm putting some more paint down. I can't help it. I want some negative space left. I don't know if I have a shot at negative space. And I really love this color today, but it keeps fading away from me, as well as the orange. You know what? I don't have any of this color shifting red from Folk Art. And while I'm at it, I'm going for the amethyst from Folk Art. Excuse me, Artist Loft. Yep, that's the one. That's the one right there. I hope. We'll see in a minute. I'm going to wait on that last shovelful in case I need it. And I'm going to wonder if I have anything I can use as an edge catcher, or at least a catcher, period. I have the other one from the last video that I can put on my turntable. I kind of want to put some cell activator in there, but I'm going to do some weird stuff, I think, because I've been thinking about it for a while. I wonder if this is on. Ooh, My little blower is on. I want some black. I want some white. I don't know how that's going to work because that's not staying, I can tell you now. Alright, I'm going to grab some purple cell activator. I've got some nice cells already. And some white cell activator, and I didn't put that blue in there, but I don't think I need it. Alright, now I'm going to try something nearly impossible. I'm going to use all of my experience to try and make that work out. And just keep, not a lot, just some. And I can use the copious amount of wet paint that's left on the edge catcher, hopefully. Now none of this is bloom paint. Loving those colors though. Probably way more paint than I needed, but I'm liking what I'm seeing, so I'm not sure I care. I have to look for a few bubbles, I can tell. I need that to go all the way around right now. And back in. And I've got the wet side of the edge catcher to my hand. So I'm just going to keep removing whatever I can get out of my way, and I'm probably going to want to go right quick and rinse off. But I might do a few flourishes first, some embellishments. Especially with that black. So move that out of here. Look for any gaps. There aren't too many gaps. I did really well. That was amazing. I've got bits of color that can go in those little pleats. Alright, let's find a skewer. It's not the worst skewer in the world. I don't know how many more things I need than that. That's pretty cool. I really don't want to ruin it. And I quite like it just as it is. I did keep a little bit of negative space, just not a ton. And anything that I might want to bloom, now's the time. I've got enough paint left in my shovel to do another painting. I could even tip this one off and scavenge the paint if I wanted to, but I think I'm going to keep it. I am going to put that blue in I wanted. And do I want any more, or is that enough? Excuse me. It usually sinks away unless it's on a surface that's stretched out pretty well. You know what? I'm pretty happy with that. I keep waiting to see what else I want to do. I should tell you guys, I have over 2,300 videos. 2,200 of them are available. There's a few spirals in there. I'm thinking a few more wouldn't hurt me. I hope I'm right. I don't think they hurt anything. I like it. I had a little white paint on. I thought I would take a chance. I don't think I heard anything. Okay, I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys, thank you for the thumbs up and thank you for the support. If you are a contributor to the studio to help keep me making videos, thank you so much. I lost most of that yellow, but at least I still have a little bit. And I've got some beautiful cells right over here. And some cute little cells over here. Oh, nice. And I really, really, really like this. And I'm going to quick like a bunny grab another circle and use all my leftover paint and do it again. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Shop my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. It's the first link under the video unless I do the tools video, which I didn't in this one. So you can find the link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. It's for students. So check it out. And I just want to keep fixing that edge. But I should know better. Let me see if I can zoom in because this is pretty sweet. I just want to do something with this right here. Yep, I'm going to be okay with that. And that. I should have blown into it to see what else is hiding in there. Alright, I love you guys. My email address is below the link tree, and when you click show more, you'll also find my paint pouring recipe. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like it. I'll see if I can show you a few details. I especially like those cells right in there. I don't know how well they show up. Alright, quick like a bunny. I got no time left. But I do need to tell you thank you for all the wonderful compliments in the comments to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link, my link. Thank you for shopping Pinterest and Instagram. Excuse me, Pinterest? Yeah, not so. Pixels.com and Fine Art America, more like. Pinterest is where I put my videos, and a lot of merchandise from Pixels.com and Fine Art America does go there on all boards. My paint pouring recipe I told you is under the video. I have over 2,200 videos available. I told you that too. What else can I tell you? There's a monthly drawing, and if you want to get entered, use the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the link on the link tree. And if you make a donation, you'll be automatically entered, and you can see the prizes included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's on the end screen in the last 20 seconds. And if it's not there where it belongs, this month is a weird month, just ask me and I'll make sure you get it. Use my email address to contact me if you are interested in purchasing an artwork, or also taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. This is awesome. The more I look at it, the more I love it. I'll see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys.